Okay, let's find out what happens when you go through a car wash. First, when you enter the car wash, you will hear soap spraying on your car. Wow, look at all the soap spraying on the car. The soap will help clean the dirt. That was kind of fun watching the soap hit our car. Mayta, I have a question. Did you feel the soap? No, because we are inside our car. We are safe. Mayta, are you doing okay? Mm-hmm. Yes? All right. Are you ready to see what happens next? Next, you will hear and see big turning brushes. Wow, look at the brushes on each side of the car. They are spinning around and around, scrubbing off all the dirt. Wow, Mayta, that was a little loud, but really fun watching the brushes spin around and around and around. Mayta, did you notice that the brushes stayed on the outside of the car? Mm-hmm. Yes? The brushes are on the outside and we are in the inside and we are safe. Do you know what happens next? We have to wash off all the loose dirt and the soap off our car. You will hear a loud spraying sound of the water hitting our car. Ooh. Oh, look at all the water falling onto our car, Mayta. The water is rinsing all the loose dirt and the soap off our car. Whoa, Mayta, we're almost there. Our car is starting to look really clean. Mayta, the water spraying on the car was kind of loud, but did we feel any of the water? No. The water is on the outside of the car and we are on the inside of the car and we are safe. The car is wet from the water. Mayta, do you know what we have to do next? Do you know what we have to do? We have to dry our car. The giant dryers are very loud and they blow air onto our car. Mayta, are you ready to turn the dryers on? Yes? Okay, let's do it. Whoa, look! The air is drying our car. Whoa! Wow, Mayta, that was interesting. It was a little loud, wasn't it? But look, Mayta, our car is dry. Mayta, did you feel the air? No, because the air is on the outside of the car and we are on the inside of the car. We are safe. Wow. Are you okay, Mayta? Yes? That was actually kind of fun. Watching all the soap hit our car, then the brushes spinning around and around and around, and then the water spraying on our car, washing away all the dirt and the soap. The dryers were so loud, blowing all the water off our car. Mayta, it was a little scary at first, wasn't it? Are you okay now? Yes? What's that? It was fun? All right. I hope you had fun learning what it's like to go through a car wash.
Mayta.